And the exciting thing about the HOLMAN GreenWall is that you can add additional modules. So you can go vertically or horizontally. And in fact, you could fill up this entire wall. Wouldn't that be exciting? Now the link between the units is this same connector that we set up to take the hose. And you can literally connect at any of 4 points, horizontally or vertically. In order to do this effectively, the best thing to do is firstly take the pots off and take the unit down so you can actually make those connections on the ground. Now I'm planning to do a 3-tiered vertical installation. We've got the first 2 in position. We need to set up the connector to the wall. So what we do is basically put this one in the position that it's going to finish up in, just like that. And then there's 2 special marker holes. It looks like a little flower there. That's the one that you put your screwdriver through and mark the wall. And there you go, I can hear that coming through. And there's the other one on this side. Press it in, bake the surface, then you'll know where to drill your holes. There and there. Beautiful. In order to link the systems together, I've found it's easy to take them off the wall and actually link them all up down at ground level. The way to do it, take that double-ended connector, push it into the top there like that, you can hear it click, and then just drop top unit onto it and click it down. Now all the 3 panels are connected. It's a matter of lining them up and dropping them into position. And there you go, that's beautiful. Now it's a matter of bunging your pots in. This is what I call a wall of food. What we have here is a combination of herbs as well as cut and come again lettuces and other edible foliage. So there's cress, we've got lettuce, we've also got portulaca, and the foliage of this is lovely in salads, but you can also stir fry it. Then we've got beetroot, thyme and even lemongrass. Now this looks terrific, however there's another option here, and that is we can go horizontally, and that's what I'm about to show you with a wall of flower. Now how do you like the look of that? Isn't it great? And could you imagine this at your front entrance saying welcome to all your guests? The genius of this system is that you only need to apply water at one point. Just by clicking that on there, it actually supplies water throughout the whole configuration of your modules. Now with our Australian climate, long, hot, dry summers, and the relatively small size of these pots, it's pretty obvious that water is critical. These plants need a little, but they need a regular supply of moisture. And the way to get that happening automatically is to use this new HOLMAN misting interval system timer. Now the system is battery powered, and essentially it's very simple to set up. What you need to do is to set the on button, and that gives you the duration, how long the water is going to be applied. Then there's the off button, which is your interval. Now we'd recommend that you put the water on for 4 to 6 times per day for 1 to 2 minutes. But look, it's going to vary depending on where you are and the plants that you're growing. So the idea is to set it up and then do a bit of trial and error work. The concept is that you want the soil to be nice and moist, and you don't want it running over the drain. You know, the possibilities here are absolutely endless. These pots are so easy to take down and repot. You can make seasonal changes very, very readily. Now we'd love to see what you come up with, so please send us in photos by email of your artistic green wall installations.